Hey guys, I went snow plowing today, yesterday. It did excellent. You can see all the snowbanks. And this is only the backyard. My 62 wheel horse is buried. We got about 2 feet of snow. I had to use my snowblower. It's a little thing, 2-stroke. But this is it. It's a lot of snow to plow. Not 2 feet. So it's a lot of snow. I don't know what to do with it all, so I put it in the front yard. Luckily we did. It's where we usually put it. It's right there, which is all filled up with snow also from the road crew. So this was all plowed. I was out here around 6:30 yesterday morning, and I just finished up now. I came inside yesterday around 6. And then this morning I came out here around 9. And I cleaned up the drifts and everything else. If you guys really want to know how deep this snow is, there's my wagon. You can't even see it. You couldn't even see it yesterday. So much snow around it. But it's a lot of snow to deal with. But the wheel horse did it. This is one of the snowbanks. I'm 5'9", and it's right next to me. So the propane tanks are about 4 feet tall, and those are buried in. I don't think we're taking out the trailer anytime soon either. Or anything from over there, for a matter of fact. I still gotta clean off the sidewalk. But just wanted to make an update of the storm. Today is March 15th, 2017. And